Salut everybody, Desta here from Languages to Music and a French to Music session today. So with Daouda, I think is from La Côte d'Ivoire, and a song called La femme de mon patron, so my boss's wife. Some verbs you might want to take from this song are proposer, devenir. So proposer is to propose, devenir to become, tomber to fall, refuser to refuse, dire to say, and se venger to take revenge. Some vocabulaire: femme can mean woman or wife, patron, boss, amant, lover, malgré, despite, dangereux, dangerous or dangereuse if it's feminine, mari, husband. Men can mean same or like even if. Peur, scared. Cas, case, cas par cas, for example, case by case. Choix, choice. Histoire can be story or can be history. Ennui is kind of troubles, problems. À cause du is when something's a result of something, but in a negative sense. So if you wanted to say thanks to someone, you would say grâce à blah, blah, blah. Or if it's kind of a negative result, it's à cause de toi, it's because of you. A bit more blaming. La femme de mon patron est tombée amoureuse de moi. So my boss's wife fell in love with me. So they use the same, tomber, fall, or fall in love. Elle m'a proposé de devenir son amant. So she proposed that I become her lover. Elle est riche et elle est belle. She's rich and she's beautiful. Mais moi, je ne veux pas de problèmes. I don't want any problems. Son mari, c'est mon directeur et moi, je suis son chauffeur. So her husband is my director, my boss, and I'm his driver. Si je deviens l'amant de la femme du patron, c'est dangereux. Mais les femmes sont diaboliques. So if I become the lover of my boss's wife, it's dangerous. But women are diabolical. Malgré leur beauté angélique, so despite their angelic beauty, quand une femme est amoureuse, when a lady is in love, elle devient très dangereuse. She becomes very dangerous. La femme du patron m'a dit, so my boss's wife told me, si je refuse, elle ira dire à son mari que c'est moi qui lui fais la cour. So if I refuse, she says if I refuse, she'll go tell her husband that it's me who's chasing her. Même si je suis innocent. So even if I am innocent. J'aurai de gros ennuis devant cette situation. So I will have big problems faced with this situation. So devant is in front of the situation. Je ne trouvais pas de solution. I couldn't find a solution. Car dans cette affaire, moi, je ne sais plus que faire. Puis dans tous les cas, je n'ai pas tellement le choix. So, in this affair, I don't know what to do anymore. Je ne sais plus que faire. Puis dans tous les cas, so in any case, dans tous les cas, je n'ai pas tellement le choix. I don't really have the choice. Si je dis oui, if I say yes, it's imprudent, c'est imprudent, à cause du patron, because of my boss. Mais si je dis non, but if I say no à la femme, to the woman, to the wife, elle va se venger. She's going to take revenge. Que faut-il faire? So what should be done? So il faut is like you have to or you should do. So que faut-il faire? What should I do? And then he repeats the same words a lot, vibing out on the tune. Quelle affaire? So what an affair. Quelle histoire? What a story. Que faut-il faire? What should I do or what should be done? Que faut-il dire? What should be said? Si je dis oui, j'ai peur du patron. If I say yes, I'm scared of the boss. Mais si je dis non, but if I say no, la femme va se venger. the woman or the wife will take revenge. Quelle affaire, quelle histoire. What an affair or what a story. Et voilà, Daouda wearing, if you can see the YouTube video of his, wearing the coolest glasses and the coolest top in the whole world. I hope you learned a few words from this little tune ici de Daouda. Et voilà. Check out the song. Check out his other tunes as well. And I will see you soon on Languages Through Music somewhere dans le monde. Bisous. À bientôt.